Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Darcy's Misadventures with Mixed Media. It has been a crazy summer and my studio reflects that. I'm going to show you a little before. I'm going to work for a couple hours because that seems to be what my energy level is lately. I can work for 2 hours and then I'm pretty much done for the day. I mean, maybe I can get 3 hours. I don't know, but 2 is my goal. If I can go more, I'll be extra happy. So I'm going to do a quick pan around to show you the before, and you're going to feel so much better about yourself when you see this. Because this is after I spent 2 hours cleaning off the floor on Monday. So, yeah, it's a little crazy. There's my mom and dad. So this is behind where I sit, and it is just insane. And then this is beside where I sit. Also insane. There's the shelf that has chock full of stuff. There's the calendar up there from Took's craft table. I still have it on the first month, I think. It's all right. And that's my desk. It's insane because when I cleaned off the floor, of course I piled stuff up there, and also chock block full of everything, and more insanity, and just yep. It's crazy. Here's where I cleaned off the other day. It needs to be vacuumed for sure, but you know, it was like covered because that's my life. It's been a crazy summer, and that's all I have to say for that. So I will either come back and show you progress, or I might work with you. I haven't decided yet. Anyway, but that's the before. Okay, I am about 2 hours in. I'm on my 4th podcast from Cass at Clutterbug, and this is, move back a little bit. I feel like I was back, well, there was more, see, you can see more floor now, so that's good. I moved that bookshelf against the wall because it was in front of the other bookshelf, and that's not helpful. These are all just kind of shoved back there for now. That's okay. Also, I vacuumed that part of the floor. I still, this side, I'll move slowly. She turns step by step. Yeah, that's still, but I can get to it. I don't have to climb anything to get to that disaster, crazy pants mess. See, I've been listening to Cass, Clutterbug, so crazy pants. So that's where I am now. Right. Confession, there are 2 boxes out in the hallway. But, and this looks the same as it did earlier. There might be more stuff piled up over there. And slowly we turn step by step. And then, you know, all the stuff that was under the desk is pretty much all beside it now. But look, I can see the desk. So 3.5 hours, almost 4 hours of just looking for trash and clutter, putting stuff, kind of sorting stuff into its categories, because my paper's not going to fit in its container. I have sorry, that's my finger. I have way too much stuff in my space. So yeah, some more decluttering, putting stuff in the shop is gonna have to happen. But now I can make a video. Yay! Alright, hope you guys have a delightful day, and now you know why I didn't get right back on video when I got back. And I encourage you to, you know, set a timer for 15 minutes a day or 5 minutes a day or whatever you got if you want to get your space under control. You don't have to do 4 hours in a day. But if you do 10 minutes a day, after 40 days, you'll have 4 hours worth done. Is that right? 6 days. After 4 weeks, you'd have about 4 hours done, even if you just did 10 minutes for 6 days a week. Yeah, there you go. 4 hours worth of work in a month. It's after 4. Is it after 4? No. But apparently now I'm into the point where after 3:28 I can't do math. So yeah, that noise you hear is my husband is defrosting the freezer. So we both had our projects today. So yeah, hope you guys have a delightful day. Love you.